personal characteristics. Entrepreneurial personal characteristics. Right. An entrepreneur is innovative, is hardworking, is perseverance, risk taker. So, when I look at metric also prepares you to be an entrepreneur because you have to be innovative. You need to be innovative. You need to be hardworking. You need to study. Every day you're studying, hardworking. That's metric prepares you to be an entrepreneur. Perseverance. You need to just stay true to yourself. No matter the challenges, no matter the failure, if you're failing, just keep on pushing, perseverance. Metric prepares us to be entrepreneurs, but yeah, that's how it is. Metric and university, these two things, yeah, they test your perseverance. Yeah, perseverance. Meaning, how much can you take? Yeah. How high is your pain threshold? D, risk taker. You have to take a risk. The entrepreneur has this mindset, okay, I can take all of my savings and invest it in the business. So there is a possibility that this business can fail, and there's a possibility that this business can succeed. And most of the time, it can be 50-50. So just have to work hard. Do marketing, go and meet with other business like go and meet with talented people, ask them how did it's like a lot of things, but let's not get into this. Let's move on.